Look at me. Where are you going?
To Philippines to meet my cousin.
Yeah? Okay.
Well, I'm excited, but I'm not happy because Dad is not coming with us.
Because Dad have work.
Early or in time?
Not early, not late.
In time?
Yeah. So you need to check in the luggage before the flight goes.
Are kindly requested to proceed to gate 24.
Soon.
Okay, but next time we go to Philippines,
I go with you.
yeah, can
Inshallah.
you?
Inshallah.
Okay.
Yes. Let's see mommy what she's doing. You're okay?
He's looking if you have this permission letter for Hala.
I'm here. I give permission. I don't have letter.
Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much.
Come here.
Hala, listen.
Bye.
Bye, Daddy.
See you later.
We're gonna miss you, Daddy.
Kiss me. Thank you.
Bye.
Inshallah, see you soon, okay?
And answer my calls, okay?
Okay. Bye.
Bye, Daddy.
Love you. Yalla, bye. Love you. Bye.
Answer my calls, okay?
Inshallah.
Please keep your devices on flight mode or switch them off until we're in the air. Should you drop your device, please do not rush the bundle.
Kids meal.
Kuha mo na ako ng card mo.
Sige po. Nang ano ba?